Here is my cat. I made her a flag tail. And I have a question about flags and national anthems, okay? That's her flag tail. Right? You like that? It's a fan tail. Here's what I got about national anthems. So when you're singing the American national anthem, oh, say, can you see? Who is Jose? Are they talking about Jose? I mean, who translated it, and how much further will it go? And if an alien comes and they hear somebody singing and they don't know what the pretext of this is, they might be looking for Jose. Oh, say. And so it's Jose, can you see? So now they want to know what he was looking for. Can you see what? Are you looking at what? Can you see? Can you see what? Are you on the ocean? Are you on the sea? By the dawn's early light. Now, what is dawn and what is an early light? From light and night. What is that early light? Night. Dawn. What dawns on the day is what clouds over? What does it mean to dawn on a day? Day equals to 30, 4 months. It has to do with Mars. It's all about Mars and Earth. This is a story that was written. We are characters in the story. It is real all the way to the standardization of death, to the end of the contract of the Santa Claus, the placenta clause, that brought you P and L 1216, the half-life of creation of the E-world of BC. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 equals 2 and 3, which equals to 5, which equals to BCE. 13L, enterprise, entity, passage through the sun. The N between the E and the T, meaning passed through the sun into the heart. 25 is heart, 54 is sun, 29 is birth. 29 and 25, they are almost identical because the 5 goes directly into the 9 in the cards that we use today. But I have seen other cards where the 9 had 4 and 4 on each side and didn't have this setup. It was monkey cards or animal cards. It was a little different. The dimensions, the difference between, see that area over here? Why did I put it up there? Does it really fit up there? Oh, yes. And then down there, I'd see, right, you see it? It's again over here. Do you know what this is? What this is? Each one of these columns are from roulette. 36 numbers from roulette. I've done this before. So this one over here is the binary code. Over here, it's pretty simple. You notice 33 back to back creates the cube in the center. And then you have these sideways. You see this way 6, right? And then if you look this way, the same one is 9. And then the L, okay, if you want to look, I'm not sure if you take it as an L, because the L, right, the higher side shows that it goes into the next dimension of the setup of these dots. I use the same dot setup as I used here, except this I used with binary code, connecting 1 over to 2, over to 4 to 8 to 7. 7 and 7 is 14, 1 and 4 is 5. So when you get over to 7, 7 and 5 connecting of the moon, 7 and 7 is 14, 1 and 4 is 5. It takes 2 sevens, which is matter. It also goes into Christ, and it will create what is called Yo, the student. See the way I had the 3 here and the 1 here for the 4 block? And then the other one, you'd have to stretch it out onto this side for the continuation of the neck. But this is your 4 block, 3 and 1, and then here's your next block. I'm just trying to understand this. But when you look at it this way, you're looking at it a little bit different. It depends the angle we bring it on. Because our creation is this way. Diamonds are forever, right? You've got, you see the empty space? When you draw a straight line down here, you'll be going in halfway between the next diamond. So you're always splitting diamonds, right? And this is what your sideways continuation of 1, let me see. Yeah, I think I'm using the same row over here. I'm using the 7, 8, 9. right? When I get over here at 7, 8, 9, I overlap 7, 8, 9 with 1, 2, 3. 7, 8, 9. Then I went 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5. And then what I did is I did it backwards. I went 3, 2, and 2 over to 6. So it'd be 3, 2, 6. Over to 8, 3, 2, 6, 8. 8 over to 9, bringing in the heavens and birth. And 9 over to 5 inside the E-world. And then if you look at it upside down, you see just this area here. It's like split between two worlds, almost like the continuation of the ace and how everything forms together. So what I did here is, you notice there's a skip area over here. I needed to get the 45-degree angle. I needed to create this square. So by doing this with this separation, it's showing in between area space. Riding the spirit on a chairlift. Once you breathe, it's inside of you for life. Once that spirit cuts out, you see what's in his neck, what's making him go. The delusional thinking. You see the first one going that way and the other one, the single eye looking the other way. Delusional thinking. The alternation of mother's cupboard. Let me see if I've got one more over here. I only have one spot of white in here, and it says TV, because it's for 2022. The reverse of TV, the reverse of T is G. The reverse of V is 5. V5TG, 5G. 5G. That's what TV is all about. The last cycle of all coming into the wire. So like I said in the last video, if you didn't see the last video, welcome to the show. Everybody take your place. And we shall begin. We shall begin. Welcome to the game. Where can we get the best angles for some of these objects? They can come out at you. You can see a pond. You got to get the right angle to try and figure out what's going on. You see, that's no good. That's no good. Almost. Oh yeah. No. Let's see. Something like that. Yeah, he's operating. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. What are you doing to us in this world? Hold on tight. I'm holding you. I'm stamping it out. Couple of burgers. And at the end, all you have to be is kind. All you have to be is kind.